Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can change your email address in chess.com. If for some reason you want to change your original email address when you created your chess.com account, it's quite simple. All you need to do is, of course, you need to be signed in. And once you've logged in, you want to click on this cogwheel or the settings icon here on the lower left corner, like so. This pop-up will appear. You want to click on all settings. There you go. Once you are in your all settings, you want to click on account. It is the third option from the very bottom. So click on account. And here you're going to be having an option that says contact info. Only thing here is going to be your email address. So it's going to be able to show you your, well, not really show you, vaguely show you the email address you have. All you need to do to change it is click on edit like so. And here you can now change your email. Make sure to put your email or your new email address correctly. So new email, and then just retype it the same way. Copy paste the same thing, and then click on save. After that, you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.